Imagine putting $1,000 into the stock market and watching it grow into more than $1 billion. Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly the kind of journey that made Warren Buffett one of the most successful investors in history. But here's the crazy part. Buffett didn't start with privilege, insider connections, or some secret Wall Street formula. His story started with curiosity, patience, and a mindset that anyone can learn. Warren Buffett was born in Omaha, Nebraska in 1930. While most kids were thinking about toys and games, Buffett was already obsessed with money and business. At just 6 years old, he bought packs of Coca-Cola bottles and resold them door to door for a profit. It was a tiny business, but it showed something important. He understood one simple idea early: buy something for less, sell it for more. By the time he was 11 years old, Buffett bought his first stock. He purchased shares of City Service for $38 each, but shortly after buying them, the price dropped to $27. Imagine being 11 years old and already watching your investment lose money. Most people would panic. Buffett did too. When the price finally recovered to $40, he quickly sold the stock just to escape the stress. But then something frustrating happened. The stock kept rising, eventually reaching $200. That moment became one of Buffett's biggest early lessons. Great investments take time. As he grew older, Buffett became fascinated with the stock market. He spent hours reading financial reports and studying companies. Eventually, he studied under legendary investor Benjamin Graham at Columbia Business School. Graham taught him the concept of value investing, buying strong companies when they're undervalued.
Buffett didn't chase hype. He didn't gamble on trends. Instead, he looked for businesses with strong fundamentals and long-term potential. In 1956, Buffett started his own investment partnership with just a small amount of money, around $105,000 from friends and family. His own contribution was only about $100. But what happened next is what turned him into a legend. Buffett consistently delivered incredible returns. While the overall market might return around 10% per year on average, Buffett's partnership was producing nearly 30% annual returns in its early years. And that's where the real magic begins: compound growth. When money compounds, it doesn't just grow, it grows on top of its own growth. Over years and decades, that effect becomes massive. Buffett eventually took control of a struggling textile company called Berkshire Hathaway. At the time, it was failing, but Buffett transformed it into a massive holding company that invested in some of the most powerful businesses in America.
Today, Berkshire Hathaway owns major stakes in companies like Apple, American Express, Coca-Cola, and Bank of America. And over time, Buffett's wealth exploded. From small, early investments, his fortune eventually grew past $100 billion, making him one of the richest people on Earth. But here's what makes Buffett's story even more powerful. He didn't live like most billionaires. He still lives in the same house in Omaha that he bought in 1958 for about $31,500. He famously prefers simple meals, often eating McDonald's breakfasts and drinking Coca-Cola every day. Why? Because Buffett believes wealth isn't about showing off. It's about freedom, discipline, and long-term thinking. Now here's something important for viewers in the United States watching this story. America has one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in the world, the stock market. Through platforms like retirement accounts, index funds, and regular investing, everyday people can own pieces of the biggest companies on the planet.
You don't need to invent the next tech startup. You don't need millions to start. You just need time, consistency, and the willingness to think long-term. Buffett himself once said that most people would do very well simply by investing in low-cost index funds and holding them for decades. But most people never do it. They wait, they try to time the market, they chase hype stocks, or they never start at all. Buffett's real secret wasn't luck or genius, it was patience. He once said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." Think about that. The people who panic, trade constantly, and try to get rich overnight often lose money. But the people who invest steadily and wait, those are the ones who win in the long run.
And maybe the biggest lesson from Warren Buffett's story is this: you don't need to be born rich. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need insider knowledge. You just need to start. Because the earlier you begin investing, even with small amounts, the more time compounding has to work for you. $1,000 may not look like much today, but with patience, discipline, and decades of growth, small investments can turn into something extraordinary. That's the real story behind Warren Buffett. Not just a billionaire investor, but proof that simple decisions repeated over time can change your entire financial future.